And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to check someone's close friends list on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So once you open your Instagram, you can easily check your close friends list. Simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the top right hand side of the corner, and there you can find the option called close friends, where you can simply see your close friends. However, you cannot directly see someone else's close friends list on Instagram. Instagram's close friend feature is designed to be private, and you won't be notified if someone adds or removes you from their list. So, the only way to tell if you are on someone's close friend list is if they share a story that you can see. That particular story is indicated by a green ring rather than a purple ring like this. So, if they have a green ring on their profile picture in the stories tray, they have simply added you in their close friends list. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.